Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert rows and columns in Excel. Now, I am going to redirect you here to my file, and this is actually the best way to do it. So if, say, for example, you want to insert a column, you head over to, say, for example, that particular cell or column, and then click the insert here, and it's going to automatically insert to the left. So if, say, for example, you want to add here, like before this one, right click, insert, and that's gonna happen. So yeah, that is the way to do it. Now what if, say for example, you want to insert here few different columns? That's also possible. I want you to go ahead and highlight three. If, say for example, you want to insert three, and right click, insert, and you can see that now we have the three here. So it's basically the same thing with the rows. So you can go ahead and right click here, click insert, and it's going to insert at the top. Now what if, say for example, you want to insert like three? So it's the same thing. All right, here, and insert, and there you go. So now you can see that there has been added. So you can just go ahead and copy the formula here in order for it to apply to them as well. So yeah, that's the best way to insert rows and columns here in Excel.